Percy was idling inside of a station siding when the Tom Hat walked up to see him. Percy, as you know, you have been doing a fantastic job here shunting coaches here at Dryoff Station. Thank you, sir, said Percy. But now I am promoting you. You shall go shunt ballast cars to the new track labs on the new expansion route. Toby shall take over your job. Yes, sir, said Percy as he chuffed away. As Percy pulled up into the yards, the truck he was supposed to shunt started talking to him. Hey, can you get your face out of my face? I want to talk to you. Whoa, sorry about that. Hey, you're that little green engine. I think you know a song about that. Come on, boys, let's sing. Percy, he's so small, he's no use to us at all. Up those hills to puff and blow it. On those hills he's also slow. Stupid truck, said Percy. After he loaded up all the ballast trucks, he chucked away. Why, hello, Percy. How are you today? Not too well, Duck. Let's just say I got the ballast you asked for. You know what, Percy? Ballast? It's quite beautiful, actually. It makes our rails going from looking like brown earth to make it stand out against the wonderful green grass. It's kind of like an art form if you think about it. I know it sounds a little crazy, but everything in our world is just beautiful. Oh, shut up, Duck. And by the way, ballast is one of the weirdest art forms I've ever heard of. What's wrong with Percy? Oh, he's just angry. As usual. That's our Percy. Yep, that's right. After Percy delivers the ballast, he rushes over down to the coal hopper and starts to fill up his bunker with coal. Stupid trucks, said Percy. Why do they always have to mock me? It just makes me so angry. They should know who they're messing with. Now, Percy, come on. Just because those trucks are in front of you doesn't mean you have to take out your anger on everyone else. Ben was there also. He was filling up on some coal as well, when Ben heard an extremely unfamiliar whistle. Who's that? Asked Ben. It was Henry. He came in to fill up his tent with coal as well. Why, hello there, everyone. And what are you two doing groping about with Percy? I thought we got rid of all that stuff after we got put on strike. Little engines should be appreciated for all their hard work, not being dumbed down by you two big engines. So what I'm trying to say is, just because you're a tender engine does not mean you're better than the little tank engines. Sorry about that, Percy. Oh, and Percy, smile. You should be lucky to be an adorable little tank engine, especially one with a nice green paint like me. Henry was completely confused with the entire situation. He thought that Gordon and James were arguing with Percy, and not vice versa. Thank you, Henry, said Percy, and with his bunker now full of coal, he chuffed off. Percy had now become quite conceited due to Henry's extreme form of flattery. Henry's right. I should be appreciated. Wait till I tell those trucks that Henry really appreciates me. Percy rushed down to pick up some more Ballest trucks. Oh, look, everyone, said Scruffy, the truck's leader. It's the green caterpillar with red stripes. Oh, shut it, Scruffy, said Percy. Come on, Greenie, it was just a joke. Yeah, right, said Percy, as he pulled the empty trucks away. Scruffy had enough of Percy, so the trucks decided to shunt him down the hill. On, they cried. Help, help, Percy cried. But the trucks couldn't be stopped. The trucks were going to send Percy into the yard and straight into the buffers. Percy soon came in and collided straight with the buffers. We got him, boys, said Scruffy. I count that as a good day. I am extremely amazed on how you trucks take such delight in crashing yourselves. Neither do we. Percy was soon lifted up by the breakdown crane. As Percy was lowered onto Toby's well wagon. Everyone had seen Percy being pushed into the yard by Toby, including a recently informed Henry. Hey Percy, did anyone tell you about karma then, huh? Percy said nothing as he was slowly pushed into the yard siding. And Percy has learned a very important lesson. Always treat others the way you want to be treated, or else the trucks just might bite back. Dun 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 dun.